One of the two health issues so far are obesity and heart attacks.
You can get healthy fats from food like avocados, nuts, olive oils, and fish. And you can get unhealthy fats from food like processed food and fried foods.
So you should all stay healthy.
Today we will be presenting about nutrients in human life and daily activities. First, let's get into introductions. Organisms depend on nutrients to survive. To survive, organisms would be in danger if they didn't get enough. Without sufficient carbohydrates, organisms wouldn't have enough energy to function, and without enough protein, organisms would be unable to heal wounds.
Next, what are nutrients? Nutrients are compounds found in the food that we eat in everyday life that will soon be used by living organisms to grow. Second question, how many types of nutrients are there? There are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. On to the next slide. Why are nutrients important? Nutrients are important because they provide the body with the elements it needs to function properly. Example, water. The body needs hydration. It also helps maintain growth, repair tissues, and support various bodily processes.
Now let's munch on the next idea of the slide. We're going to talk about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential in our day-to-day life as it provides us with energy found in the food we eat. Without it, our body will not have enough energy to eat, to drink, nor stay awake for some time. And also, it will sacrifice the fat and the muscles that our body have stored to provide us with energy to stay awake. But every time when we consume a food that's classified as carbohydrates, we consume one of these three types of carbohydrates. One of them are simple carbs over here, that are foods that provide us with short energy boost, mainly contain in sugar and some mainly sodas. Also, the second one is complex carbs over here, that provides us with a long-lasting energy source, mainly found in rice, bread, and potatoes and beans, and many more. Lastly, fibers, which are foods that contain undigestible carbs. We might have eaten it without even noticing. And just like everything else, if we overconsume carbohydrates, our body will have to convert the leftover energies into fat. But if there's too much fat, it'll lead to health issues. One of the two health issues so far are obesity and heart attacks.
For the next slide, we have proteins and fats. Proteins are nutrients essential for growth and cells repair. Think of them as the body workers because they do many jobs to keep you healthy, including build and repair muscles and tissues, help your body function, fight infections, transport things, and support your body structure. You can get proteins from food like meat, eggs, breads, and seeds. Next, we have fats. Fats are nutrients that are for storing energy and support cell growth. What does fats do? Fats basically provide energy, protect organs, insulate your body, help absorb vitamins, and support your brain function. Your brain is made mostly of fats, helping with your thinking and memory. There are two kinds of fats, healthy fats and unhealthy fats. You can get healthy fats from food like avocados, nuts, olive oils, and fish. And you can get unhealthy fats from food like processed food and fried foods. Let's move on to the next slide, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are essential micronutrients your body needs for immune support, bone health, and metabolism. They are super important to keep everything running smoothly. There are many types of vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and others. As for minerals, there are calcium and iron. You can get calcium from dairy products and you can get iron from red meat.
Let's dive into our water side. Water is vital for our bodies because it helps transport nutrients through our bloodstreams to cells and organs. It also helps aiding the kidneys in filtering out toxins and helps the digestive system process out food. It also helps in the elimination of waste through urine and sweat. Without water, these essential processes would slow down, affecting overall health. Now let's go to the recommended daily water intake by age group. So if you're 1 to 3 years, doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl, you should at least be drinking 1.3 liters of water a day. If you're 4 to 8 years old, you should be drinking at least 1.7 liters. But if you're a 9 to 13-year-old boy, you should drink 2.4 liters. A 9 to 13-year-old girl should drink about 2.1 liters. 14 to 18-year-old boys should drink 3.3 liters. 14 to 18-year-old girls should drink about 2.3 liters. Adult men should drink about 3.7 liters, and adult women should drink about 2.7 liters of water. Because the reason why you can see that the boys and the girls for the same age group, they drink different amounts of water is because usually when you are around 9 to 13, you usually hit puberty. So when boys hit puberty, they usually become more bigger than girls. So that's why boys should drink more water than girls. Lastly, we have our conclusion. So proper nutrition is essential for the body to function optimally. A balanced diet with the right mix of nutrients supports health, strength, and energy. Nourishing your body with the right nutrition is key to living a long, healthy life. So you should all stay healthy.